Howdy folks, Mama Bee. Look what's in baby's nest. The cutest little baby. And I'm not just talking about that mama bird. Oh, baby, you did good. Good job there, huh? Good beautiful little baby. Well, wanted to let you know, don't want to stress her out. Meanwhile, in Mango's nest, we just have the one little one. It's a good thing we weren't waiting for those other eggs to hatch, because they have not yet. We got some happy birds. And that one's getting so fluffy. Such a big fat baby. It's so cute. Anyway, the babies are all doing well. The birds are all being healthy and happy. So thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for sharing this time with us. Please feel free to come anytime you like. And folks, have a fantastic day.